Hey, what's up? It's your girl DVEJU VU, and I'm back here with another super amazing video. So as you all can already tell by the title, and as you all can see by the beginning of this video, I'm going to be doing this amazing look for you guys. Isn't it beat? Like, who wouldn't want to see how I did this look? Who wouldn't want to see how I achieved this look? So y'all can look how I'm looking right now. Right. So stay tuned to the video if y'all want to see this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post an amazing video. Don't forget to watch, share my previous videos with your friends, your family, and catch your dog. Share my previous videos with everybody you love. So your girl, Deja Vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much, and I was gonna say I'll see you on the next one, but I'm not supposed to say that right now. I'm really supposed to say I'll see y'all. I'm supposed to say let's get right into it. So let's just get right into this video.
So starting off this look, I already did one side of my face because I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do for this look. I kind of just let it flow. So on this eye, I kind of I already knew the look that I was going for and how to do it. So my right eye kind of looks like I'm just like playing around trying to figure it out, but my left eye is going to look like, okay, sis, you know what you're doing. You got it together. Okay, so I just want to warn y'all as we get into this video and as you all see the process that it takes for me to achieve this look. I hope you guys enjoy it and enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys are able to accomplish this look on your own.
the final look for the video. My eyes always water up every time I do like these lashes or just an eyeshadow look. My eyes always water up for whatever reason. I really don't know why. So that's why they look like that. But this is the concluded look. It looks really, really cute. So pretty. Oh my god. I didn't know what kind of look I was going to do. I just kind of went wherever my hands wanted me to go. And I went with the flow. And I did what I had to do because I'm ready to go. Hey! This is the final look for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, if this video, big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. I know that you'll watch it with your friends, your family, you catch your dog. So, your girl. Deja vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much. Leave me comments in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about this video. Give me video suggestions. Do all it. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.